Now, number 7 on our free traffic website list is going to be traffic error. And just like I promised, you can absolutely get started and sign up for free using this website. Plus, they're going to send 50 free visitors to your website just for signing up. Now, traffic error has been around for a little while, but they're still unknown. And I've used their services and they're absolutely amazing. But just to give you some background, right now they have over 79,000 members. 387,000 websites have been promoted, and the traffic they have delivered has been over 624 million. Now, traffic error goes way beyond a traffic exchange to provide several other features and services that truly make it an essential tool for anyone that is looking to increase their success online. Traffic error can actually provide you with 4 separate advertising streams, allowing you to reach out to millions of potential customers from all over the world. Now, traffic error has 4 separate advertising streams, or basically 4 ways you can make money with this platform. The first stream is their surfing platform. Now, this rewards members of the network for viewing websites, and of course, you will earn traffic rewards for viewing theirs. The second advertising stream is going to be their unique splash page network. Through this network, you can promote splash pages to millions of other people surfing around the internet, even if they're not a member of traffic error. And the third advertising stream is through their independent banner network that can further extend your reach even more. And finally, the fourth stream, and perhaps the most important of all, is the social network that traffic error is built on. Through their highly sophisticated social networking platform, internet marketers from all over the world can get together and share relevant information with each other, all while earning the necessary traffic to their websites. So with that being said, if you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing, or you've already started and you're struggling to get traffic to your affiliate links, this is a great website to get you started and start generating some traction to your offers.